where George lives?
Put my window up. Don't put it up because you need it down. Hey, look. I know. So I can do it. I know.
Look at that little boy. He's gonna go tell on us. He's gonna be like, "Hey,
that's Georgie.
that kid's only 2.5. What's he doing?"
That's Georgie.
That was Georgie?
That's Georgie.
Huh.
That's his name.
Are you gonna steer this truck or what?
I just steered the tractor.
I know you did. That's why you're driving now. So the next time,
A battery.
a battery.
Yeah,
No, that's a CD. It's a CD that has music on it. Yeah.
And can play. Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Oh, Itsy Bitsy Spider? No, that's on the other CD.
That's on the truck.
Sit down, Ben.
That's on the truck.
How are you? Let's take.
Yeah, I'm driving Dice truck.
I was 7, so I thought we should start earlier. Got to keep the road safe. You don't want 16-year-old unexperienced drivers. Oh yeah, I passed like 10 kids, and their moms and dads are like. Oh, should we rotate every day?
That's serious stuff. And you dedicate that to somebody. That's serious
you
stuff.
Can, no. Get up there.
Hope you enjoyed the Randy Bachman interview visit.
Oh, there we go. It's opening.
It was wonderful. He was absolutely.
See you later.
All right, telephone is 888.
Okay, turn her in.
888-888-4320.
Keep doing it. A little more. There you go. Okay, now let it go. Let it go straight.
Let's see how he says Missouri. Hello, Frank. Hello. Hiya. All right,
there we go.
I don't live there.
Now we gotta go that way.
You don't care.
I made it.
Where do you live? Where do you come from?
A little more.
We're gonna hit the little ball.
We're gonna hit the little ball. Boop.
We hit it.
We did it.
We hit the yellow ball.
Good boy.
That's my face.
That's your face.
And that's
Listen to Cousin Bruce, I'll keep you awake, all right?